Okay students, today's one addition of all like fractions. In previous classes we have discussed about different operations related to like fractions, unlike fractions. So unlike fractions are those fractions which have different denominator. So to solve addition of unlike fractions, first we have to convert the given fractions into like fractions. How? During comparing and ordering fractions, we know if there is given unlike fractions, first we have to convert the fractions into the fractions with same denominator. In this way, ordering fractions, we know first we have to convert that into equivalent fractions, that means with same denominator. So for solution, there is given an example in your book, page number 52. Example 13, add 3 by 7 and 1 by 4. We can see here that 7 and 4 are the denominators of the first fraction and the second fraction respectively. 7 and 4 are different, that means different denominators these two fractions have, that means these are unlike fractions. So to add this one, first we have to convert the given fractions into like fractions, and we have studied during comparing and ordering fractions how we will convert the unlike fractions into like fractions, means equivalent fractions. First we have to find out the LCM of denominators. Here denominators are 7 and 4. 7 and 4, if we are trying to find out the LCM, 7 1 is 7 because there is no any common multiples here. 7 1 is 7, 4 remains same. Then we have to take 4 because we have to continue up to 1 1 we get in the last. So 1 is remains 1 and this one is 1. 4 1 is 4. In this way 7 and 4, 7 into 4 is 28. So LCM becomes 28. Okay student, then how will convert? If we multiply that 4 in the denominator, then only we can convert the denominator into 28, the LCM. So 7 into 4, so we know if we multiply in the denominator, we have to multiply in the numerator. So 3 into 4, it becomes 12 by 28. Similarly, the second fraction 1 by 4, how will convert the 4 into 28 if we multiply the 7 in the denominator? So we have to multiply the 7 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 1 into 7 is 7 and 4 into 7 is 28. So it becomes 7 by 28. Now 3 by 7 plus 1 by 4. In the place of 3 by 7 we can write 12 by 28. So here it is written 12 by 28 plus 1 by 4. In the place of 1 by 4 we can write 7 by 28. So here it is written 7 by 28. These two are like fractions. So we know how to add like fractions. We have to find out the sum of numerators by the common denominators. So common denominators is 28 and the sum, that is 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 is 19 by 28. So it becomes 19 by 28. Okay students, in this way we can add the unlike fractions. First we have to convert it into like fractions. How will we convert? First we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. Which LCM we get, we have to convert the denominators into that LCM with multiply with any number. That means the number which is appropriate to convert it to the LCM. So in this way we can convert it. Sort method is also given here, that for sort method find the LCM similar to that, then divide the LCM by the denominator of the first fraction. This LCM is divided, we have to divide the LCM by the denominator. In the first fraction the denominator is 7, so 28. If we divide the 28 by 7, we are getting 4. This 4 quotient we have to multiply with the numerator. So for this fraction the numerator is 3, so 3 into 4 plus Again we have to divide the LCM by the denominator of the second fraction. So here second fraction, the denominator is 4. So if we divide 28 by 4, 4 7s are 28. So this quotient you have to multiply in the numerator. That's why 7 into 1. Again I want to repeat. First we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. Here is 28 is the LCM. Then we have to divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction. That is 28. We have to divide by the 7. 7 4s are 28. Quotient is 4. This quotient we have to multiply with the numerator of the first fraction. So 3 into 4 plus, because here operation is wrong, addition, that's why here it is plus sign we have to give. So here plus, again we have to divide the LCM by the denominator of the second fractions. So here second fraction, denominator of the second fraction is 4. So it becomes 28. If we divide 28 by 4, it becomes 7. 4 7 is 28. So the quotient becomes 7. So this quotient we have to multiply with the numerator of the second fraction. 7 into 1. So 3 into 4 is 12. 7 into 1 is 7. So 12 plus 7 by 28, that is 19 by 28. Okay students. First we have to find out the LCM. Then we can convert it into like fractions, or we can add. Or another method is we have to divide the LCM by the denominator of the first fraction. Then we have to multiply the quotient and the numerator of the first fraction. Then we have to give the sign, that is plus, addition sign. Then we have to divide the LCM with the denominator of the second fraction. Then what we get as quotient, we have to multiply that quotient with the numerator of the second fraction. Then we have to add. Okay, so 12 plus 7 by 28. In this way, these are two methods we can apply. Okay students, you do it properly. Other examples also you can take and solve it. On the next class, we will discuss about the addition of mixed fractions with. Okay students, so addition of mixed fraction also we have discussed, but mixed fraction also have some denominator we have discussed, but the fractions, mixed fractions will have different denominators, we have not studied till now. So on the next class we will study. So first you have to perfect in this addition of unlike fractions, because this is a long process, we have to do it as much as possible, you have to practice it. Okay students, see you on the next class. Thank you students.